I suppose the key messages in the speech I've just given center around two themes. The first is that independent providers now have access to the full range of the adult skills budget, which is quite a significant change for them. And it'll be interesting to see how they grasp that opportunity. In a sense, it should enable them to compete more directly with colleges who traditionally have had access to a broader range of funding. But the second message that I wanted to make clear was that independent providers should not underestimate the ability of colleges to compete on their territory. And all of that is going to be facilitated by the pilot that we're kicking off at the beginning of this August, called the Outcome Incentive Payment.
I'm really here at the conference for two reasons. One is I wanted to set a context for the start of the work programme, to say thank you to all of those in the audience who are part of the work programme and who have been working extremely hard in the last few weeks to make sure it gets up and running in the best possible way. And also to give a sense that this is the start, I believe, of a series of steps into payment by results across government that can make a big difference to our social policy. And then the other thing is to say to this audience in particular how important it is that the work we're doing in the DWP, that the work that is being done in BIS, on apprenticeships, on skills, is all joined up. Both at a national level, where John Hayes, the Skills Minister, and I work extremely closely together, but also locally, where we want to see much greater devolution of responsibility to frontline organisations, working in partnership, skills providers, sitting alongside Job Centre Plus teams, local employer groups, really working together to ensure that we deliver the right level and the right type of skills support for the needs of that particular local economy.
I've been speaking this morning about the importance of skills and qualifications in the labour market, and specifically to improve the skill levels of people who are out of work. We've still got very tough labour market conditions, but what is quite clear is that if you increase somebody's qualifications, then they do get an increased chance of getting a job. Not just an increased chance of getting a job, but an increased chance of actually staying in work.